Now beta, let's do these exercises. See D part. When you reached home, you said, "Mother, luck was by my side today." Now think your lucky day and write it in first person. Means you went home and you told your mother कि मेरे लिए दिन बहुत अच्छा था और बहुत लकी था. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको सोचना है कि आपका दिन क्यों लकी था और फर्स्ट पर्सन में उसे राइट करना है. फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स माई डे वॉज वेरी गुड, आई वॉज डूइंग दिस, आई वॉज डूइंग दैट, ऐसे. Okay, now see, underline the pronoun and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or person used. State whether it is first person, second person or third person. Lions are royal animals. They are called king of the jungle. So what is the pronoun here? Pronoun here is they. And they कौन सा person हो जाएगा? Third person. Okay. I like the cakes made by my mother. Made by mother. So I which person? First person. Okay. You are such a soft spoken person. You will be which person? You will be second person. Okay. Their house is spacious. There is again third person. Their house is spacious. It is so beautiful and well kept. It is. अब it is यहाँ पे तो थर्ड पर्सन के लिए यूज़ हुआ है क्योंकि हम हाउस की बात कर रहे हैं. We are going to the golden temple. We is first person. My mother cooks delicious food for us. My is first person. Same way us is first person. She makes special food for Arnik every day. She is second person. You should maintain a collection of old stamps. She beta, she is third person. Okay. You is second person. I joined school on first day of the session. I is first person. Cows are herbivores. They eat grass, vegetables and leaves. They is third person. Got it? Now fill in the blanks with correct form of personal pronoun. Please come here. Dash want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. Come and tell me what happened. My mother told dash about my great grandfather. My mother told me about my great grandfather. Now let's see this. Rita is my best friend and dash is absent today. And she is absent today. I have a question for each one of you. Okay. Our teacher told dash that we should not eat outside daily. Our teacher told us. They talk to me. They talk to me only when they want me to do something for them. Okay. Now, Rita and I are good friends. We study in same school. My mother was worried about me. Their class teacher was angry with them. Okay. Now beta, singular plural. See, the pronouns that we have studied from them, these are the pronouns that are used for singular person. And these are the pronouns that are used for plural. We, us, you, they, them, they are used for plural. And singular means one person के लिए, plural means many persons के लिए. Okay, same way gender wise you see, he and him is used for masculine gender. I told you earlier only when I started the chapter. Yes, she and her, it's used for feminine gender. एंड आई, वी, मी, अस, यू, ये मेल्स के लिए भी यूज़ हो सकता है, फीमेल्स के लिए भी यूज़ हो सकता है. सो दिस इज़ कॉमन जेंडर एंड इट इज़ न्यूटर जेंडर. गॉट इट? Let's do this exercise. Show whether the pronouns are he. He is singular and it is masculine. You have to show the number also, you have to show the gender also. Did not like the tomato soup she made. So she, again, she is singular but it is feminine gender. Made for him. Him is again singular and it is masculine gender. Okay. Now she again singular and feminine gender. He, singular and masculine gender. Okay. We, the ladies. We, what about we? We is plural and it is common gender. Her is singular and it is feminine gender. We is plural and common gender. Him is singular and masculine gender. Okay. Dash are late for the test. We are late for the test. Meena and Tina play badminton. Dash practice in the evening. They practice in the evening. This story is very interesting. We should read it. Yeah, you should read it. You can write you should read it. Dash are going to Goa this weekend. They are going to Goa this weekend. Or we are going to Goa this weekend. Can you pass me? Can you pass me the sugar, please? So beta, with this our pronoun chapter is over. The exercise of pronoun chapter is also over. Okay. Now let's revise the chapter once again. What are pronouns? तो आप जब लिखोगे, देखो, pro plus nouns, इसको अगर आप 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करोगे तो ये 2 पार्ट्स होंगे इसके. सो दैट मीन्स इट्स समथिंग रिलेटेड टू नाउन. मतलब ये कुछ तो है जो नाउन से रिलेटेड है. सो प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स that are used at the place of noun. Pronouns are the words that are used at the place of nouns. Okay, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used at the place of nouns. Now for example, if I write Rahul is a boy. Rahul likes playing. Rahul is cool. So if I am writing about Rahul, then again and again I am writing Rahul. You see, Rahul is a boy, Rahul likes playing, Rahul is cool. Isn't it feeling awkward? आपको awkward नहीं लग रहा ये सुन के? लग रहा है. क्यों लग रहा है? क्योंकि मैम again and again Rahul use कर रही है. Ma'am is using Rahul again and again. So instead of that, if ma'am writes Rahul is a boy, okay, he likes playing. Now he is cool. Now you go through sentence 1 and sentence 2, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Which one is better? This one is better. Why second one is better? Because at the place of Rahul we are using he, and he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. As Rahul is a noun, Rahul noun है, और हम राहुल अगेन एंड अगेन यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो सेंटेंस ऑकवर्ड हो रहा है, तो उसकी जगह पे हमने क्या यूज़ कर लिया, हमने प्रोनाउन यूज़ कर लिया। कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज़ कर लिया, ही, बिकॉज मेल पर्सन की जगह पे हम ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं। फीमेल का नेम होता तो हम शी यूज़ कर सकते थे, कोई एनिमल होता तो हम इट यूज़ कर सकते थे, कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग है तो हम इट यूज़ कर सकते थे। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ बेटा देर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, सॉरी सी, देर आर मेनी प्रोनाउंस लाइक ही, शी, it, they, so you, I, we, so these all are pronouns. These all are pronouns. Why are they pronouns? Because they are used at the place of nouns. Now see beta, her, his, them, they are also pronouns. हर मीन्स, हर का मतलब क्या होता है, मतलब उसका, बिलोंगिंग टू समवन। व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ गर्ल whom a thing belongs to, then it's her. When we talk about a boy whom a thing belongs to, his, it is his pen or it is her pen. Okay, then them. So they are common pronouns that are used in English language. These all are the common pronouns that are used in English language. Okay children, now pronouns are of different types, but we will study about one type of pronoun in our chapter. Okay, which type of, what is the name of that pronoun? The name of that pronoun is personal pronoun. Now we will study about personal pronoun. Okay, see, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, they are used at place of, where do we use it? At place of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, at place of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, and they are of three forms. First person, second person, third person. Now see beta, if I am talking to you, अगर मैम आपसे बात कर रही है तो मैम क्या हुई, मैम हुई फर्स्ट पर्सन, बिकॉज मैम कौन है, मैम स्पीकर है, मैम बोल रही है, सो मैम इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन. यस, सेकेंड पर्सन, मैम किससे बात कर रही है, मैम आपसे बात कर रही है, सो आप हो गए लिसनर, या तो whom I am speaking to, आपको लिसनर भी बोल सकते हैं या तो स्पीकिंग टू भी बोल सकते हैं. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ ना, सो whom I am speaking to is the second person, and third person, about whom am I talking, मैं जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं किसी और के बारे में बात करूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ रवि इज़ अ वेरी बैड बॉय, तो रवि कौन हुआ, रवि थर्ड पर्सन हुआ. ओके, आई एम अ गुड गर्ल, आई क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट पर्सन हुआ. सो इन फर्स्ट पर्सन, what are the pronouns that come is in first person? I, we, us and me. These are the words that come in first person. Second person is you. Okay, and third person is he, she, him, her, his. Okay, then they, them, it. They all come in the third person. Got it everyone? Now in detail we will study it further.
Personal pronouns. The words I, you, she, he, it, we, and they are personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. For example, that man has a mustache. He has a mustache. The words me, you, her, him, us, and them are also personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the telling part of a sentence. For example, the salesman happily sold the robot to the man and the woman. The salesman happily sold the robot to them. The pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence.
You is used for both singular and plural nouns.
For example, Ricky said, "You are intelligent, Nikki." The coach said, "I have faith in all of you." It is used for animals and inanimate things. For example,
A woman walks with a dog. That dog has a bushy tail. A woman walks with a dog. It has a bushy tail. The woman gives the dog a basket. The dog carries the basket. The woman gives the dog a basket. The dog carries it.
Hello again. Once again, welcome back. I am very pleased to see you all. Today we will be looking at first, second, and third person. Are you ready? Here we go. First person is when the writer speaks about himself or herself. Look at this example. I am happy. The writer is speaking about himself or herself, so this is written in the first person. Second person is when the writer addresses the reader. Look at this example. You are happy. The writer is addressing the reader directly. This is written in the second person. In this example, the writer is talking about someone else. This is called the third person. So you see, there are different ways in which a writer can write. In the first, second or third person. Now it is your turn. Swipe down for more work on this. I will see you next time.